In this video, we will be looking at the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq in terms of its performance, design, fuel economy in real-world MPGe, interior, comfort and cargo, range, charging and battery life, infotainment and connectivity, safety and driver assistant features, maintenance coverage, and of course, the price. Without wasting time, let's get started. Performance. The 2023 Lyriq comes standard in rear-wheel drive form, featuring a 340 horsepower electric vehicle on the rear axle. The acceleration is adequate and highly responsive, but unlike other rival SUVs, it doesn't have that powerful feeling. The Lyriq also features a 500 horsepower dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain, which is optional and adds a second motor at the front to drive those wheels. So with this, we expect to find its acceleration more exciting. The rest of the Lyriq's road manners will also be a letdown to enthusiast drivers. While its handling feels stable and competent, the Lyriq doesn't deliver much fun when pressed hard. It also has nicely weighted steering. It is coupled with an aggressive regenerative braking system that allows for one-pedal driving. The 2023 Lyriq doesn't look only excellent in terms of functionality, but it is also super in terms of its body rigidity. If you want the maximum body rigidity in a car, this vehicle will always keep you on the go. Design. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq features a sophisticated and sharp design, representing the vehicle's new design language for electric vehicles. The Cadillac's first entrant into the luxury EV market is the Lyriq SUV. The 2023 Lyriq features a modern cabin and sharp styling. The single-motor rear-wheel drive and dual-motor all-wheel drive models come in really great. The Lyriq has been designed from the ground up to ride on General Motors' new, scalable battery architecture. This vehicle features DC fast charging and standard in-home connections for refilling the battery. Instead of outright performance, the Lyriq's road manners are more focused on comfort, quietness, and luxury. The cabin is exclusively designed for passengers, making it highly spacious. Fuel economy in real-world MPGe. The EPA estimates that the rear-wheel drive of the 2023 Lyriq is perfect enough for 92 MPGe city and 82 MPGe highway. In the admittedly lead-footed hands, the Lyriq recorded 72 MPGe in mixed driving, which is fair enough for this model. Interior, comfort and cargo. The 2023 Lyriq features a spacious, airy interior. It comes with an interior space that makes you even more comfortable. It also has an exceptionally designed steering wheel that eliminates the need to change the grip when steering. A rich-looking interior treatment gives the Lyriq an upscale flair. A large storage tray is also on the floor between the driver and front passenger, lined with bright blue leather upholstery. This design serves as a cheeky pop of color. We understand that the concept was shown with just 4 seats and a center console that divides 2 front and 2 rear seats. However, with a touchscreen for the rear seat passengers, the production Lyriq has adopted even a more traditional rear bench seat. Not having a gasoline engine also helps create a quiet cabin. But the Lyriq also employs advanced noise cancellation technology to reduce road noise. The interior is highly spacious, but the cargo room isn't as super as in other SUVs. Range, charging, and battery life. We are aware that General Motors is launching a line of new electric vehicles battery technology with the Lyriq. This feature is called Ultium. The scalable technology makes the automaker produce batteries that range in size. The size range is from 50 kWh to 200 kWh, but the largest size is expected to be reserved only for large EV pickup trucks. The 2023 Lyriq's battery features 102.0 kWh worth of capacity with an estimated driving range of around 312 miles per single charge in the single-motor model. While performing the highway range test, the Lyriq provided 270 miles of driving before it needed to be recharged. Regarding the charging, there is an available DC fast charging capability that comes standard in all models. The 2023 Lyriq can charge on home power outlets as well. Infotainment and connectivity. The dashboard of the 2023 Lyriq is just like the Escalade's. It is dominated by a giant 33.0-inch curved advanced LED touchscreen, which serves as the SUV's infotainment system in the driver's gauge display. The infotainment touchscreen is mounted in the middle of the dashboard. With its slick interface, you can easily configure the home menu in many personalized settings. The infotainment system can also be controlled by a click wheel on the center console, which is also perfect for drivers who aren't fond of touchscreens. It features an Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Safety and driver assistance features. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq offers great and unique driver assistance features as standard. Like other models, this vehicle will come standard with a suite of driver assistance features such as the brand's Super Cruise hands-free driving system that requires a subscription, standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and standard adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Like the similarly sized Cadillac models, such as XT5 and XT6 SUVs, the 2023 Lyriq comes with a powertrain warranty that supersedes that of other premium people haulers. Well, it will be great to say that Cadillac currently covers the first dealer maintenance visit. However, competitors such as the I-Pace offer longer periods of free maintenance. The limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles, and the powertrain warranty covers 6 years or 70,000 miles. Pricing. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq comes with the best price of $59,990. This price is for the single-motor debut edition model with limited options. Here's the price of the other models. Debut edition, $59,990. Single-motor RWD, $63,000. Dual-motor RWD, $65,000. And that's all we have for you today on the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq. If you're optimistic about the future of cars, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.